You playing your music, Sophie? Yes, you got it, didn't you? Are you getting your toys? Good job. Good job pulling on your toy. Uh-oh. Where'd it go? You have to pull it again to make it play. Can you get it, Sophie? Good. Try. Try hard. Get your toy, Sophie. Good job. Good job, baby girl. Can you make the music play again? It worked, huh? It's hard work. Where'd it go, Sophie? Can you reach out and make it play music again? Can you do it, sweet girl? Where's the music? Where's the music? Can you make it go? Want me help? Want me help? Want me help? Put your hand right there. There you go. Now you pull it. Pull it. Pull. Pull, Sophie. Oh, pull it. Is it hard to do? Can you make the music play? Pull hard, Sophie. Uh-oh, you lost it. You lost it. Can you get it back? Good trying. Try to get it back, Sophie. Use your hand. Use your hand, baby girl. There you go. Good job. Good job, Sophie. Good trying. Good trying. Yeah, you want me to help? Want me help? And let me help you get it. There you go. Let's put it on there. There you go. You got it? Hold on tight. Now pull. Oh, there you go. Good job. There you go. Now you can hear it. I know. You like that, huh? That's good work, Sophie. That's good work, baby girl. Did it stop? It stopped. Now what are you going to do? What are you going to do, Sophie? Can you make it go again? You have to pull it. You have to pull it, Soph. Can you pull? We help? There it is. There it is. Do you like that? Yay! You like the music? You do. Good girl. Pull it again. Can you pull it again? You can do it. Pull hard. Can you pull? Huh? Can you pull it? There you go. Good job. Good job, Sophie. You're working hard today. You're working so hard. Yeah. Good job.